Imagine waking up one day and realizing you're not the person you want to be. Maybe you're stuck in a job you hate, trapped in old habits, or just feeling invisible. What if I told you that in just 30 days you could become someone new? Not by faking it, but by rebuilding yourself from the inside out. This is the story of how ordinary people reinvented their lives in 1 month, and how you can too. And my brothers, if you want more videos like this, and even dark psychology related, so you should subscribe this channel. Now get back into the topic. In the journey of your transformation, the first step is deciding what kind of person you want to become. Think about the qualities you admire in others: confidence, kindness, discipline, and write them down. Your new identity starts with a clear vision. If you want to be more confident, for example, you'll need to act like a confident person every day. This isn't about pretending, it's about practicing until it becomes natural. The brain learns through repetition, so the more you act a certain way, the more it becomes part of who you are. Next, focus on your daily habits. Your identity is built on the small things you do repeatedly. If you want to be a healthy person, start by drinking more water or taking a short walk each morning. Tiny changes add up over time. Don't try to change everything at once. Pick 1 or 2 habits and stick with them for the first week. Consistency is key. Every time you follow through, you're reinforcing the belief that you are that kind of person. Surroundings play a huge role in shaping who we are. If you want to change, you may need to change your environment. Spend time with people who embody the traits you want to adopt. If you want to be more positive, avoid those who constantly complain. If you want to be more creative, spend time in inspiring places. Even small adjustments like organizing your workspace or listening to motivational podcasts can shift your mindset over time. Language is powerful. The way you speak about yourself shapes your identity. Stop saying things like, "I'm bad at this," or "I'll never change." Instead, use phrases like, "I'm learning," or "I'm getting better every day." Your words program your mind. If you tell yourself you're a disciplined person, you'll start acting like one. Pay attention to your self-talk and make sure it aligns with the person you want to become. Fear and doubt will show up, but they don't have to stop you. Every time you step out of your comfort zone, you prove to yourself that change is possible. If you're afraid of public speaking, start by speaking up in small group discussions. Each small victory builds confidence. Remember, courage isn't the absence of fear, it's acting despite it. Over time, these challenges will reshape how you see yourself. After 2 weeks, reflect on your progress. Are your new habits feeling more natural? Do you see small shifts in your behavior? Celebrate every win, no matter how small. If you slipped up, don't judge yourself. Just get back on track. Changing your identity is a process, not an overnight event. The key is persistence. Keep showing up, even on days when it feels hard. By the 3rd week, you'll start noticing real changes. Maybe you feel more energetic, more focused, or more in control of your emotions. This is your new identity taking root. Now is the time to push further. Add another habit or challenge yourself in a bigger way. If you started with walking, try jogging. If you began with reading 10 pages a day, try 20. Growth happens when you stretch beyond your current limits. In the final week, think about how far you've come. The person you were 30 days ago is not the same person you are today. You've proven that change is possible with consistent effort. Now the goal is to keep going. Reinventing yourself isn't a one-time event. It's a lifelong journey. Keep refining, keep growing, and never settle for less than the best version of yourself. Changing your identity in 30 days isn't about magic tricks or quick fixes. It's about making small, intentional choices every single day. You have the power to decide who you become. Start today, stay committed, and watch yourself transform into the person you've always wanted to be. The journey begins now. Where will you be in 30 days?